Hey guys, Kevin and Ryan here with your weekly Sandler recap. And Ryan, we had a lot of fun this week, didn't we?
We did. Of course we did. We always do.
We actually went on a tour this morning. You want to tell the people about the tour we did?
Sure. We viewed sales food chain land. We visited Fire Cellar Dance Park, or discotheque, I guess, and the submarine museum.
Yeah, we did. We were joking around. We did really a comprehensive overview of the Sandler system, and it was kind of like taking a helicopter ride over Disneyland rather than actually going in and riding the rides per se. But we've been doing a community service sales course on the basics of Sandler to help people get through and not go under and come out of this on the other side, positioned to start selling again and really start thriving and make it through. So yeah, that's what we did. And we ended with specifically something called the 30-second commercial. And this was the worksheet we did. And it's funny, you know, we think of an elevator pitch. What goes into making an elevator pitch? And it's actually more complex than you might think. What were your takeaways from that, Brian?
Well, I mean, I always think about the 30-second commercial as your opportunity to start a conversation that can go somewhere with someone who you wanted to talk to. So for me, it was just a good reminder to be using pain-oriented statements to get that conversation started in a productive direction from a sales perspective.
Yeah, and for me, that's really the biggest mistake I see people make is that in their 30-second commercials, they try to tell about how great they are, about awards they've won, about different clients and things, and they end up sounding like an infomercial.
Yeah.
But the problem is we hear so many infomercials all the time that, you know, what do we tend to do with those when we hear another one?
Yeah, numb them out.
Exactly. So the pain words that Ryan was talking about are, we have these like little pain receptors. And when you mention a pain that someone is dealing with, that's going to make them lean forward. And I thought this was interesting. This is what it ends up looking. This is the anatomy of a basic 30-second commercial. Mm-hmm. Introduction, and you notice the second thing is the pain statement. A much briefer benefit statement. And then a hook question, would it make any sense for us to talk about that? So a great class. We really appreciate everybody who came out. Ryan, it was. I thought our team really did a great collaboration on this class, and I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Likewise. Yeah, and I think I just want to leave us with a message here, which is that, you know, we say at the sales food chain, the top part is being a trusted advisor, but most people don't have a strategy for doing that. And if you can put a 30-second commercial together that just one after another highlights the major problems that you can fix, you immediately establish yourself as someone who is, at least at the consultant level, potentially a viable candidate to be a trusted advisor.
Exactly. That's where we all want to get. So guys, thanks for letting us be part of your business, part of your lives. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next week.
Thanks, guys.